Did you know that your brain can trick you into making irrational decisions every day? Welcome to MindWonder, where we uncover the hidden secrets of your mind. Have you ever learned a new word and then suddenly started hearing it everywhere? Or felt like everyone was staring at you after spilling coffee on your shirt? These seemingly strange occurrences are actually glimpses into the fascinating inner workings of your brain. This channel is your guide to exploring the mind, from the everyday quirks of psychology to the complexities of mental health. We'll use engaging visuals, real-world examples, and a touch of humor to make learning about your mind an exciting adventure. Get ready to unlock the potential within and discover a whole new understanding of yourself and the world around you. Have you ever experienced that strange sensation where you learn a new word or see an unusual car and then suddenly it seems like it's everywhere? This is the Bader-Meinhof phenomenon, also known as the frequency illusion. Your brain becomes hyper-attuned to this new information. It prioritizes it, making it seem more prevalent. Imagine your brain as a search engine, highlighting a keyword, constantly scanning and filtering information. The Bader-Meinhof phenomenon shows our brains seek pattern and create meaning. Imagine an iceberg. The tip represents your conscious mind. Beneath is a vast, powerful force, your subconscious. It influences 90% of your daily decisions. Think about driving a car. Initially, it requires effort, but soon becomes automatic. This frees your mind for other tasks. Understanding your subconscious helps you take control. The placebo effect is more than just wishful thinking. It's a testament to the power of belief. Believing something will work can make it work, even if it's a sugar pill. Studies show placebo treatments can alleviate pain, reduce Parkinson's symptoms, and improve athletic performance. It's all about the mind-body connection. Belief releases endorphins, impacting your body. The placebo effect harnesses positive expectation. Mindset is crucial for health and well-being. Cultivating positivity helps achieve goals. Ever felt like everyone was staring at you after a minor mishap, like tripping or spilling coffee? Chances are you're experiencing the spotlight effect. It's that nagging feeling that you're constantly under observation, that everyone is noticing your every move and judging your every flaw. The truth is, we tend to grossly overestimate how much others notice us. We're so caught up in our own internal world that we forget other people are equally preoccupied with their own thoughts and concerns. Understanding the spotlight effect can be incredibly liberating, particularly for those struggling with social anxiety. Recognizing that most people aren't paying as much attention to you as you imagine can help alleviate self-consciousness and free you to be yourself. Embrace the freedom that comes with stepping out of the imaginary spotlight. Your brain isn't a static organ. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape capable of remarkable adaptation. This ability to rewire itself based on experiences, learning, and new habits is called neuroplasticity. It's the reason why you can learn new skills, recover from injuries, and even improve your cognitive function throughout your life. Think of your brain as a garden. With the right care and attention, you can cultivate new pathways, strengthen existing connections, and even prune away unwanted growth. Learning a new language, playing a musical instrument, or even engaging in regular meditation can all stimulate neuroplasticity and enhance your brain's flexibility. Neuroplasticity isn't just about learning new things, it's about rewiring your brain for resilience and well-being. By embracing new experiences and challenging yourself mentally, you can strengthen your cognitive abilities, improve your mood, and even protect yourself against age-related decline. Embrace the power of neuroplasticity and unlock the limitless potential within your mind. From the Bader-Meinhof phenomenon to the power of neuroplasticity, these are just a few of the many wonders of the mind that we'll explore on this channel. We've seen how our brains shape our perceptions, influence our decisions, and possess the incredible ability to adapt and evolve. If you're curious to dive deeper into how your mind works, make sure to subscribe. Understanding your mind is a journey of self-discovery. By unraveling its mysteries, you gain valuable insights into your thoughts, emotions, and behaviors, empowering you to live a more fulfilling and authentic life. Join us as we continue to explore the fascinating world within.